Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Gino and thank you for joining me today. Today we are going to be making a super simple pumpkin pie Rice Krispie recipe. This recipe is reminiscent of the very traditional pumpkin pie. So many people love pumpkin pie. I'm not a huge fan of pumpkin pie, but I definitely do enjoy this recipe. If you are new to the channel, welcome to my channel, and if you'd like to show some support, simply hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I post a new baking or cooking video. And there's a lot of cool Thanksgiving and holiday videos coming up this month and next month, so stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those videos. And without further ado, let's get into these ingredients. Like I said, this recipe is very simple. There's only a few ingredients. To make the outer layer or the outer crust of the pumpkin pie, you will need 2 cups of miniature marshmallows and 3 cups of crispy cereal. To make the inner part of the pie, or the orange pumpkin filling, you will need 3 cups of miniature marshmallows and 4 cups of crispy rice cereal. You will also need some orange food coloring as well as some butter. So to begin, we're gonna take about 1.5 tablespoons of some butter, place it into a pot, and then we're just gonna completely melt this. Once melted, you want to add in your 2 cups of miniature marshmallows. So I'm just gonna measure that out. And then you just want to mix these in with the butter until these are fully melted. Once fully melted, just like this, you want to add in your 3 cups of crispy rice cereal. So there's 1, 2, and a 3. Then you just want to mix everything until the marshmallow coats all of the crispy rice cereal. And remember, this is actually the crust of the pumpkin pie, so we're just gonna leave the color as is. So, once all of your cereal is coated in your marshmallow goodness, you then want to spray a circular pie pan with some baking spray. Then you just want to place all of your cereal in there. And oh my goodness, this smells delicious. For some reason, making Rice Krispie cereal reminds me of the holidays. I don't know why. It just does. Now you want to grease your hands. Ignore the blue, I got some food coloring from something else I was making. And then, once you have some baking spray on your hands, so that it doesn't stick, push all of your Krispies towards the edge, making sure you scrunch down and sort of push them and pack them all together. We're gonna repeat this until all of it is around the pan. I did have a little bit left over, so I'm gonna give some a try. I swear, homemade Rice Krispie treats are absolutely the best. So once it looks like this, we're gonna set this aside, and then we're gonna repeat the process. So I still have my pan that I used for the crust. Once again, I'm just gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of some butter. We're gonna melt that completely. Once your butter is fully melted again, I know there's some cereal in here, but it'll be fine. Add your 3 cups of marshmallows and bring those to a complete melt. Once your marshmallow is fully melted, you're gonna add in the remainder 4 cups of your crispy rice cereal. We're gonna take it off the heat, and then we're just gonna mix it until it is well combined with the marshmallows. And oh my goodness, this is smelling delicious. At this point, you also want to add your orange food coloring to make it like a pumpkin. I'm starting off with just a couple drops, so you can add more if you'd like a darker color. And then you just want to mix it through until the color and the Krispies are well incorporated with the marshmallows. At this point, you can also add in some pumpkin pie spice to make these actually taste like pumpkin pie. I just didn't have any pumpkin pie spice on hand, so not adding any in today. But definitely, if you're a big pumpkin pie fan, definitely add some of that pumpkin pie spice in here, and it'll definitely be reminiscent of actual pumpkin pie. Alright, so this is well incorporated. Now we're just gonna take some and place it into the middle. We need to sort of work fast here, because the Rice Krispie cereal likes to harden real quick. And I know it may seem like a lot of filling, but trust me, it'll all fit. So you just want to push down, and there you go. So we're gonna let these cool in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes so that it can harden a little bit, and then we'll cut them up and eat some.
15 minutes later.
Right, so just using a knife, you want to make about 8 slices. So I like to start and cut half of the pie, and then turn it and cut another half going this way. And I'm gonna do half going this way. And last but not least, half going this last way. Look at how cute these turn out. Thank you guys for joining me once again. These little pies came out amazing and they taste amazing as well. I actually finished these off with a little dollop of frosting. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant. If you have any other recommendations or ideas or recipes that you'd like to see on this channel, just leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to make it happen. And if you enjoyed today's content, make sure to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you can be reminded of whenever I post a new baking or cooking video. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I will see you in the next episode. These are addicting. This is totally addicting.